Alright guys, so we're back working on the wrecker. Um, we still got a ton of snow outside still. And it's all wet and nasty. But we're going to do what we can to try to get this thing back together and start using it like we want to. Hopefully tomorrow we get some dry weather and then I can clean this up, start primering and painting everything on it, and then running the hydraulic lines where they're supposed to go, and then we'll run down to DNS Hydraulics here in town and get a control valve for the cylinders and the winch and the lines. But for now we're going to start cleaning up some of the tubes, just where the paint got in here, so we want to clean that up so the bushings can slide around in there nice and easy. So these guys, so they go in there, but some of the paint has made it so it can't. So we're going to clean those up, and then we're going to clean up these inside ones for those pins. Stab the hydraulic lines or the hydraulic cylinders in there. I've got the shaft material. I ordered that this last week. So it is 4140 1-inch shafts. I can get the bag open. So it's got a little bit of paint on it, but I can clean that off. So we'll cut each shaft to the right length, and then we'll take our die grinder with a cutoff wheel, groove it so we can put a snap ring on it so it can't slide out, and get it all put together. And once the stiff legs are in and pinned into place, we'll mount the winch and the fairlead and the cover and get that all finally bolted up and in place, and start on the hydraulic stuff. So hopefully this week this thing will be up and running. So it could have come in handy a few times, but we're able to make it work. I still have the front winch on this thing, so I was able to winch some people out and use my yankum ropes to yank on some people. Got them out of the snow. So we do have those videos. They should post before this one. So, alright, let's get to cleaning up some parts. So not only do I got to clean this, I got to clean some of these. It's just brass, so some of them got a little nicks in them. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to assemble the winch onto the back of the truck. But first I'm flipping the pump around. So I want the hydraulic lines on the top and not down underneath where it's hard to reach. So we flip the pump and now we're just going to tighten it down and then get ready to mount it. So we got to move some stuff around with the pry bar, but it's on there. We'll get it. It's not sitting on the pump right now, but we'll get it pushed back and put it in place. Alright, now we can move this thing back where it needs to be. I have to use the pry bars a little bit, maybe. Alright guys, so I'm a little short on some nuts and bolts, so I'm going to take a lunch and go get me some more hardware. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we're starting to assemble the truck more. I got the bolts that I needed, so we're going to start putting the bars in. So we're using the clips to put them in. And they roll around just fine. Using some of my Trick Flow super lubricant. When they spin, so got the rollers on, plates on up there with the springs, the D-rings, and the feet. So I'll put some reflective tape on some stuff back here too. This is what we got for today. So we'll keep at it, and we'll be putting the feet on next. So stay tuned. Alright, good morning guys. So we're getting ready to put the stiff legs in. I've got the 5-ton warming up so I can lift the back of the truck up. We did have some alignment issues with the pins, so I had to cut them open a little bit and adjust the pins. So we're gonna get the legs in there, get the pins drove in, and then re-weld it. It's not a big deal, it's only metal. It re-welds. Once we get that welded up, we'll make another ring to support it. So not a huge thing, just is what it is. So once the truck warms up, we'll get it moved back over here. Alright guys, there we go. Alright guys, so I've been going through some film footage this morning and I didn't realize that we missed some. So while we were putting the outriggers in, my SD card got full. So it looked like it was recording, but it wasn't. So here's the outriggers that got put in. I had to get the truck about 3 feet up in the air to get them in, but we got them in, and I got this re-welded here. I need to weld a little bit on the inside, but we got the pins in. We're just still waiting on the hydraulic stuff. I did have to notch a little bit. This was the reason of not powder coating anything, and I had to notch on the inside. So, but once we get the hydraulics all hooked up, then we'll be able to run it down, clean all those areas up with the grinder, repaint them, and then see how everything works. I did get one control valve in the other day, so this is going to be for the hydraulic legs and the winch. So the outer two will be the left and right leg, and then the winch, they're just basically up and down. Okay, I'm going to shorten the arms here because they're a little too long, so I'm going to shorten them way up. I'll probably just cut them off and get my tap and die set out and just recut threads, so they'll be down in here because I don't want them sticking way up. And I'm going to build a cover over the top of this, so it will sit on the passenger side of the truck. So it'll sit up in here. I'll make a little platform for it to bolt down. All the hydraulic lines will run in to it, and then they'll go down. I'll have them connected to here and shoot back underneath the bed, kind of keep it all nice and clean. So, but yep, that's what we got for that. Sorry, I wish we had the footage for it, but I guess it is what it is. So so that'll probably wrap it up for this video. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll keep posting as long as you guys keep liking, watching, and subscribing. All right, thank you.